All right, we're gonna make a spring clip, and we'll talk about all the really cool things you can do with one of these spring clips. Let's talk about the materials. And we're using a pair of scissors, a utility knife, a ruler, double-sided tape, and an 8-inch piece of corrugated plastic. And notice that the flutes are going this way. So the first thing I want to do is I want to find the middle. And so the middle for this one would be 4. So I just poke my knife in there, and then I make sure that I'm pulling this over to the edge so I don't ruin anybody's table, and that my ruler is flush, meaning that it lines up perfectly with the edge of the corrugated plastic. And now I'm going to just drag that through and make my score line. Then I'm going to break it in half, flip it over, and I want to do about 3/4 of an inch to the left of this fold line. Rotate it 180 degrees and do another about 3/4 of an inch on the other side of the fold line. Go, and I'm going to break it. Okay. Now we're going to flip it over to the side that only has one score line, and we will apply double-sided tape to the left and to the right. And I notice that it doesn't look like I've made my line very straight, and that's fine because we'll fix that if we need to. Okay, now I tip it like this, make the letter M, and then I squeeze this in really nice and tight. And notice that I didn't have straight lines because I was going really fast. So what I can do then is I just remove the excess. So I can trim that off, and then flip this over, trim that off, and flip this over, and trim this piece off. And then I'm going to round my edges. And there I have a very simple spring clip.